Hello to everyone, my name is Susan and this is the question that corresponds to me. Do you like to cook? Yes. Cooking is one of my favorite food hobbies, although I am much more passionate when I cook sweet food, such as dessert cakes, cookies and cupcakes. When I have free time, I buy all the necessary ingredients to cook sweet food. Sometimes I create new desserts and make combinations of flavors and I give them to my relatives. I enjoy doing this. I feel that it fills me happiness to sweeten people's life and I feel that I make them happy when they eat my sweet food. Although my family tells me that I cook delicious, I have never thought of selling it because I feel that if I place value on what I do, I will lose the magic and the meaning that it has for me. I also cook salt food, but it's not my favorite. I feel that it's food that doesn't have any special touch or that can cause happiness in other people. I have thought about taking cooking course, but for reason of time, I have not been able to. However, I try to make new recipes by watching videos on YouTube or searching for recipes on the internet. I hope in the future to be able to take a small cooking course where I can learn pastries, maybe make bakery products, or even take a fast food course. It doesn't bother me. In any case, I want to do the course to improve my skills and fuel my passion for cooking. Thank you.